In this lecture, we are going to see the real power of object-oriented programming. We have our LED class and our push-button class. Now, we will combine them to work with multiple objects simultaneously. This is where your code starts to look less like a script and more like a professional system. First, we include both header files. Then, we create two LED objects on pins 12 and 10, and two push-button objects on pins 2 and 3. Notice how clean the global scope is. We aren't defining pins or states manually. We are just creating objects. In the loop, the logic becomes incredibly readable. We tell button 1 to check its state, and if it is pressed, we tell the red LED to toggle. We do the same for button 2 and the green LED. Because each object handles its own debouncing and hardware pins, they don't interfere with each other. Imagine doing this the procedural way with global variables, complex if statements. Here, if you want a third LED and a third button, you just add 2 more lines of code. Your main program structure never gets more complicated, no matter how many components you add. Congratulations! You have successfully built and combined your own classes. But we can take this even further. Coming up in lecture 06.01, we'll introduce the LED blinker class, where we use a class inside another class. See you there.